Okay, here we go.
Okay.
How you feeling, Kelly?
Huh?
Feeling okay?
Yeah, Murph.
Murph, okay, Murph. Settle down.
Murph's real interested. He's going, oh no, another one?
Yeah.
2 more hands to pull my hair?
Let's go in.
Yeah. I can't see anything. So dark.
Baby sister.
Murph's real interested.
Murph. Okay.
Is that?
Yeah, baby.
Is that?
Baby.
Say baby. Baby sister. Kylie. You say Kylie? It's Kylie.
No, Mom, be quiet.
Okay, let's take her.
Not a battery, I see.
Is that?
Yeah. Baby. The baby sister's home. Molly, quiet.
You know what? He only does this. He sees her
Does what?
suck his finger.
Oh, really?
That's the only time he does that.
Huh. Who was in your car seat, Caleb? Your car seat. That's not your car seat anymore.
Oh.
You have your big boy car seat.
Yeah, you're a big boy now. Who's that?
This is Kylie.
Molly, quiet.
That?
Oh, he's gonna.
Caleb. What is this doing in here? Baby.
That?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Over here? Over here? Shh.
I think we can let Molly out.
Yeah.
She'll probably be alright.
Baby.
Less rambunctious.
Baby,
too.
huh? Yeah. Uh-oh. Is there room for 2 up there? Sure. No, no standing. You gotta sit. You gotta sit, okay? Can you sit? Can you sit on the couch? Sit down. Good job. Oh. Hey, can you grab that pacifier? It's on the table. She needs pacifier, huh?
Here, Caleb.
Here.
Give this to Kylie.
Okay.
Can you give it to Kylie? Gentle. There you go.
Oh, what a good
Good
boy.
So
job.
nice. Good job.
Oh.
I'm not in your way, am I?
Good job. Uh-oh.
There, can I give it back to Kylie?
Oh, don't press too hard.
Oh, I think it gets knee on her, I think.
Oh.
He's okay.
Gentle.
Gentle.
job.
Yo's quiet.
You don't want it?
You like your baby sister? Yeah.
Dad.
Here.
Kylie.
Here's Kylie.
Can you say Kylie?
Kylie? That's my teeth. That's my teeth. Can you give me a kiss? Thank you. No, leave it. She wants it. It's her pacifier. Uh-oh.
Yogi,
Give it back
Yogi,
to her.
come here. Come here.
That's
Sit.
it.
Sit. Good. Sit.
Give it back to Kylie. Give it back to her.
There. Yogi, come.
Good job.
Go. Go. Hey. Yogi, stay down. Go forward.
I think I'm gonna have a beer. Does anybody else want something?
We'll have one.
Yeah, I have one of those coastal wheat Sam Adams in there. Have that.
I'll get myself something while I
Dad.
Yeah.
You like kind of Hefeweizen beers, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this Blue Moon, it's a summer honey wheat, but I think it's probably...
That'll work. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
get down?
That's the most important part. Man, I can't handle warm beer.
Yeah.
Is that enough?
I think so.
Yeah.
He's over it now.